Franchising. Before starting franchising, we have to know the basic concept of franchising. Now, I hope every one of you know about KFC, Domino's, Starbucks recently. So they are all foreign company, but they are opening their franchising outlets all over the world. So franchising is an agreement whereby the manufacturer of sole distributor of a trademark product or services gives exclusive rights of local distribution to independent retailers. So suppose any of you want to start a business of KFC only. So basically you have to take the franchise agreement from the franchisor. What else is said over here? See, the person offering the franchise is known as franchisor. The franchisee is the person who purchased the franchise and is given the opportunity to enter a new business with a better chance to success. So why franchise? Why not you start your own business? This is because all these Domino's, Pizza, they have a goodwill. People actually want to buy, or the franchisee actually want to buy that goodwill. If you start your own business, maybe it will not be as much as popular if you start a franchise business. Fine. Now over here an example is given. Isaac Newton. It is said over here that franchising began back in the 1850s when Isaac Singer invented the sewing machine. So in order to distribute the machine outside his geographical area and also to provide training to customers, Singer began selling license to entrepreneurs in different parts of the country. What else? In 1955, so this isn't just an example. So basically maybe you are building something and you also want to sell it and give the license to others. So you are doing a franchisee agreement. Another example is given regarding McDonald's. Please you go through. Now we are coming to very important part of franchise agreement. Fine. The main ingredients of franchise agreement: contract explanation, operations manual, propriety statement, ongoing site maintenance. So contract explanation means explanation of the contract. It is a part of the agreement that outlines the type of relation a franchisee is entering with the franchisee. So obviously, right, there will be many rules and regulations that the franchisee will follow. Operations manual. Manual means maybe a booklet, or in that every details guidelines will be written which the franchisee must positively follow. You go to any outlet of KFC, you will always see it is similar. All the outlets are always similar. Similarly, McDonald's, those who are selling the goods, they are also wearing the same shirt. So basically all rules and regulations are mentioned in the operations manual. See over here it is written, franchisee must legally follow in operating the business as outlined by the franchisor. From time to time, amendment may be made and the franchisee must be prepared to adjust operations. So it is very crucial that the franchisee follows the rules, the amendments of the franchise agreement. Now coming to proprietary statements, of how the franchise name is to be used, as well as the marketing and advertising procedures. So in that statement, all the advertising and marketing procedures will be mentioned, and over here it is said the franchisor documents how much the franchisee will be required to contribute towards national advertising efforts. Obviously, advertisement is must, right? Otherwise, how will people come to know? Ongoing site maintenance. Now, what is this ongoing site maintenance? Is another term that is outlined in the agreement. So in the agreement, something regarding the ongoing site is also mentioned. Ongoing site is another item that is outlined in the agreement. So site means what? The location where this franchise will be carried out. Included are the types and time frames regarding various maintenance items and upgrades. So basically in that franchise's location, some upgrades, some maintenance must be there. So that is only the meaning of ongoing site maintenance. This says basically that you just cannot open anywhere the shop or the franchise just cannot open anywhere. The location must adhere to some maintenance items with time and time frame regarding various maintenance items and upgrades. So that location must also be upgraded.